Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you use Experian Boost to increase your credit score instantly. Now, Experian Boost allows you to instantly increase your FICO scores for free by adding one-time payment for utilities, phone bill, rent and exchange services to your credit Experian. All you need to do is create a free account at experian.com/boost. So you have to go to this website. You want to type in experian.com/boost. Now, once you go to this following link, you can just go ahead and create your free account and connect the bank account used to pay your monthly bills. After which, you have to select the payment data, utilities, rent, telecom, streamings you want to add to your report. You can review the changes to your credit file and see your new higher score instantly as well. And this way, you're supposed to use Experian Boost to increase your credit score instantly. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.